Hey QVC, I'm Anna Lopez. I'm the Director of Education and Events for TULA Skincare, and I am so excited to be able to introduce some of my favorite ageless products to you guys today. At TULA, we believe that beauty is ageless and there is nothing anti about aging. We create products that help you achieve the best version of your skin at any age. So if you are learning about TULA for the very first time, we are a brand that's powered by probiotics and superfoods. Now, probiotics are this amazing, powerful ingredient. We believe in beauty from the inside out, and that the same ingredients that are good for your body are also amazing for your skin. Our vision has always been to inspire confidence and always embrace your skin. Today, I'm going to be talking about our Firm Up Deep Wrinkle Serum, one of my favorites, Beauty Sleep Overnight Repair Treatment, and we can't forget about the eyes, our Revive and Rewind Revitalizing Eye Cream. So the first step in our ageless routine is our Firm Up Deep Wrinkle Serum. I take 2 pumps of this milky, lightweight texture, and I use it AM and PM. So after I give my serum just a few seconds to sink in, at night, I love using my Beauty Sleep Overnight Repair Treatment. This is such a cool, unique, airtight jar. I do just 1 pump, and then I'll take a little bit and put some on my cheeks and my forehead before massaging it in. So Beauty Sleep is amazing, and it just leaves your skin super glowy. It feels so good, and it sinks right in. So that is my ageless routine. It gives me a nice little glow. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I'm super excited for you all to try our ageless must-haves from TULA, and until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye.